This is
Aila.
Aila
Yes.
whiskey. It's made from
Rice.
rice. Oh, sorry. At least I got mine. That one, yeah. So guys, it's gonna be Nepali Aira. Newari
and Aila.
Aila. Okay guys, it's gonna be my first time in Nepal as African to try the Nepali.
You have to drink it one shot.
One shot.
Nepali wine. Newari wine.
Newari wine. Local wine. Okay. Are you ready? I have to drink one shot only. Ready?
How to like?
How's the taste? Do you like it or not?
Culture. I only came to know of Newari.
Do you love our culture?
Yes, so
Our
unique,
places?
so nice.
So why don't you just stay here and marry a Nepali girl?
Oh my
Nepali
gosh.
girl, in fact.
I also pray and wish for that. What is this one? Can you tell me about this? This?
Auntie.
Used for alcohol.
Alcohol.
Yeah.
Oh, it's already something is there. Now they feel it?
Whiskey. We use
It
traditional.
is used to pour the whiskey.
Okay. For the ancestors.
Oh, yeah, yes.
Now it's water inside it, right?
Nah.
Now something is there. Water only?
Yes, it is water.
Okay. So what are you guys going?
We don't use whiskey here. We just use our local alcohol.
Okay. They said Nepal has local alcohol. What is that local
Aila.
one?
Aila.
Aila, yeah,
It's made from
rice.
rice. Okay. Is it that heavy? Contain so much of alcohol?
Yeah.
Okay. So today, what are you going to perform? Like, is it like a dance?
Dance.
Okay. Dance.
Cultural dance.
Cultural or folk dance? Cultural. Okay, nice. I will be waiting. I want to see. I think today I'm so lucky, guys. I came here to explore Bhaktapur, but I found out they are having a event or something like.
Yeah, you're so lucky to see this.
Yeah, I am lucky because I'm going to witness a lot about the Newari, right? Newari culture, guys. Yeah. Thank you. All the best. I'm from South Sudan, Africa. Yes.
So how many months you are staying here?
Only 1 month.
Only 1 month?
Yeah.
First time you did or this is your first time?
Yes, first time only.
Are you enjoying here?
Yeah, I'm enjoying a lot. Yes, I like Nepal. Nepal Sundar Rasanta Desho.
You really speak good Nepali, actually.
No. I mean, this is like the glass they use for drinking,
yeah,
right?
it's for drinking.
Okay.
This is like a glass that is made up of
From mud.
Mud.
Yeah. Actually, I came from India. I also they use these for tea, chai, like that.
Yeah. It's from Kathmandu.
You said how they call? What's the name?
Auntie.
Auntie.
Yes.
Auntie.
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 Or auntie or something.
Not uncle. You can use auntie.
This is auntie. Yeah, this is auntie, guys. Nepali ancient jug where they use for. This is for the ancient time, like the Nepali elder people.
Wine pot.
One pot, yeah.
Do you have any YouTube channel?
Yes, I am a YouTuber. I will tell you my channel later. So,
I will go and subscribe and like the videos.
thank you. So this is what they use, like the older people, the ancestors. They use for drinking the wine. Wine.
Nepali wine.
Oh, now they brought for me, guys. Gonna be something great. This is Aila
Yes.
whiskey. It's made from
Rice.
rice. Oh, sorry. At least I got mine. That one, yeah. So guys, it's gonna be Nepali Aira. Newari
and Aila.
Aila. Okay guys, it's gonna be my first time in Nepal as African to try the Nepali.
You have to drink it one shot.
One shot.
Nepali wine. Newari wine.
Newari wine. Local wine. Okay. Are you ready? I have to drink one shot. One. Ready?
How to like?
How's the taste? Do you like it or not?
It's not strong. It's not strong.
Soft or hard?
Huh? No, but I feel it now after it. Yeah, okay. Now I'm feeling it. Okay. Guys.
Try again?
It's nice. One. I will get one more. Okay, enough. Enough, guys.
This is for slowly.
Slowly, right?
But not
If I take two like this, will I get drunk?
Slowly.
Okay. Then I will sleep here. If I get drunk, I will sleep here.
Drink and many.
Okay. This is the second shot.
It's used as medicine.
Oh, it's medicine also.
Little drinking and medicine. More.
Guys, it's so nice. It's not tasty and it's not sour, but you know that. Yes.
Can we have your YouTube channel name?
Yes. GABS. GABI. Gabs Gabi. Guys, this is my first time to try the Newari alcohol, guys, the wine. So nice, as I said, it's not tasty, it's not sour.
YouTube channel name.
Yes. GABS Gabs.
JBS? 2 times or what?
GABI. Hi.
Welcome to my vlog.
Yeah, let me say thanks to her, guys. She offered that wine. Thank you so much. It's kind of the amazing experience. I never thought of it, but thank you so much. You got it, right? Okay. This one you will throw afterward, right? Cannot be reused.
What's spelled?
GABS. Space GABI. BI. Yeah. That's it. Yeah. I got like this already. This is my second time now. My second time. I got one.
One by necklace, which is the Newari Kola.
Yeah. They are so friendly, guys. Today I found amazing people, very friendly people, and so nice to be with them. And they made me to try something unique. I never had a plan of this, but it just happened here, guys. Yeah, people are so friendly now, so amazing, guys. Yeah, and there is festival going on. There is festival. They are going to perform also, guys. They will be performing, so I can't wait also to show you what is going to happen. Yeah. Now I'm feeling the hospitality of the Nepal people, guys. I'm getting to feel that the trip already started, guys. Yeah, love you all, guys. Yeah. Make sure to go and check more other vlog, guys. Culture. I only came to know of Newari.
Do you love our culture?
Yes, so
Our
unique,
places?
so nice.
So why don't you just stay here and marry a Nepali girl?
Oh my
Nepali girl,
gosh.
in fact.
I also pray and wish for that. Yeah. What else? What is so unique about your? What else about your culture?
Food, dress, everything. Your ornaments.
Yeah, I tried a lot of the food. What about boys? This is there any other dress for the boys like other than this?
Like that, Daura Shual also.
Okay, like this one, huh?
And this one or
Okay, that's nice.
please forgive them.
Getting to learn a lot about the Nepali culture, guys, and people are so friendly. Yeah, they want to know much about me. Yeah, and I'm also so curious to know much about them, guys. So nice. I'm so lucky to be here today. Let's explore and get to know much about the culture. What can you tell me about this dress?
This is like dhoti.
What?
It's a Newari cultural dress.
Newari,
like
huh?
when farmers used to.
Okay. It's for the farmers. I think there is a lot of Newari cultural dress because I saw like red and
Yeah.
right.
Like it's Newari cultural dress. That's for girls.
That one for ladies, right?
This is for guys.
So they are going to dance. They are going to perform something.
Or from there.
Okay. You guys from which place here?
We are local here.
Local. Okay, nice.
You do like YouTube?
Yeah, I'm YouTube.